Welcome to Cyprus.
Welcome to the beautiful island of Cyprus. Cyprus is an island country located in the eastern Mediterranean, situated south of Turkey, west of Syria, and north of Egypt. It is the third largest and third most populous island in the Mediterranean, known for its rich history, diverse culture, and beautiful landscapes. The capital city of Cyprus is Nicosia, which is also the largest city. Other major cities include Limassol, Larnaca, and Paphos. Visiting the island of Cyprus in winter offers several charms and advantages that make it an enjoyable destination. While winter temperatures on Cyprus are cooler than in summer, the climate is still moderate, and daytime temperatures are often comfortable. In the southern part of the island, winter daytime temperatures typically range from 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. During winter, there are fewer tourists compared to the summer season, allowing you to enjoy a quieter and more peaceful vacation. Popular attractions and beaches are not as crowded. In winter months in Cyprus you can visit different cultural events, festivals, and traditional celebrations. This provides an opportunity to immerse yourself in local culture and lifestyle. Cyprus boasts beautiful mountains, and in winter, they turn green. It's an excellent time for hiking and enjoying nature without the concern of summer heat. Accommodation and travel expenses are often more affordable in winter compared to the summer season, making your vacation more budget-friendly. Cyprus has a rich culinary heritage, and in winter, you can savor traditional winter dishes that are a delicious part of the local cuisine. If you're seeking a peaceful and pleasant winter vacation with opportunities to enjoy beautiful scenery, culture, and good food, Cyprus can be an excellent choice. Welcome to the beautiful island of Cyprus.